Welcome back once again, guys. It's Arbitrage Genius. So for those guys that watched my last video where I posted a video where PayPal asked for an additional information about my PayPal account, which I uploaded. So and now my account is fully restored and I can continue performing transactions on my account. And I made mention that after I uploaded my ID and bank statements, I performed this transaction right here using my PayPal balance. So let me click on this transaction to open it. So this transaction is actually performed. I bought a gift card on Seagm, as shown right here. Seagm gift card. Yeah, that was what I bought. So which cost me a total of around 13.7 USD. I have a total balance of 14 point I think 14.7 USD in my PayPal balance. So I bought a gift card of CGM gift card of 13 USD. So I was debited 13.7 USD. So I'll just go straight to my CGM account and show you guys the transaction. So the purpose of today's video is actually to show you guys how you can make efficient use of your PayPal balance. Stop selling your PayPal balance to merchants. They just buy at very ridiculous rates and make profits off you guys. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make efficient use of your PayPal balance so that you can make maximum profits. You yourself can even become a merchant. You buy PayPal funds from others, and then with that you perform arbitrage. So you buy at lower price from people and you redeem and sell at higher price. So now let me show you. This is my CGM account. I'm gonna click on this completed orders right here to show you guys the gift card which I purchased. So this is the gift card I purchased. I purchased 1 USD. Sorry, I purchased 110 USD CGM gift card, so which is 10 USD and 1 USD in 3 units. So that's a total of 13 USD. So and as shown in my PayPal balance, I was debited 13.7 USD. So now after purchasing this gift card, I redeemed those gift cards into my CGM account. Let me show you guys how you can do that. So once the trade is completed, you just click on this retrieve button right here. So once you click on retrieve, you click on this button right here which says show. So let's click on that, show. Then once that shows up, you click and hold on this pin, on the pin right here, and copy. So once you copy this, I mentioned that I bought 1 USD in 3 places. So this is 1 USD in 3 places. So once you copy the pin, you come right here to this avatar right here. So let me click on that. Once you click on that, you click on top up right here. So once you click on top up, then you click on this right here. You click on this right here, says CGM pin. So once you click on it, wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, you paste your pin, your CGM pin right here. So but as you can see, I've actually used the pin, so that's why this error message comes up with a pin was redeemed. Please try another pin. So once you have that fresh pin, you paste it right here and click on confirm. So once you confirm, the balance on the gift card will be loaded onto your CGM account. It has no fee, doesn't attract any fee. So once you top up all those CGM gift card onto your CGM account, what you do is come to this search button right here. Once you come to this search button, you click on it and then you search for Rewarble. If you guys are following my video, I made a video on Rewarble a few weeks ago. You guys should go and check it out. So I'll also leave a link to the video in the description box. So once you're on Rewarble, you click on search right here. So once you click on search, right here I'll just purchase the SEPA gift card, the Rewarble SEPA gift card USD. So I'll purchase the one for 10 USD, which will cost me around 10.67 USD. So I'll just click on buy now, since I'll be paying with my CGM credit card. So as selected, I'll just input my CGM password and click on pay now. So the payment will be debited from my CGM balance. So now payment successful. So now let me just go back to my order page and okay, the transaction has not been completed yet. I'll just refresh and wait till the transaction is completed. So now the transaction is completed as shown right here. So I'll just click on retrieve and then tap on show. Then I'll tap and hold on my pin to copy. So once I copy, Then I'll go straight to Rewarble redeem page. This is it right here. This is the link to the portal. I'll just click on that. So once I click on that, I'll paste my code right in that text box and click on redeem. So once I click on redeem, as you can see, this is my balance of the Reval gift card, 10 USD. So I'll now choose from the payout options the payments method which I'll prefer to withdraw my funds. Actually, when I was making my research, SEPA or Payeer option are the best method for withdrawal. But in this tutorial, I'll be going with Payee as my payments method. So I'll just click on Payee, redeem now, and then right there I'll put in my email address and my Payee account ID and click on confirm. So I'll do that right away. Yes, so the transaction is now processing. Let's wait for it to fully process. Yes, so now the transaction is completed. So my Rewarble gift card has been debited and my Payee account has been credited. So now I just got a mail, but before that, let me check my Payee account and refresh. As you can see, I have a balance of 0. Now let me refresh and boom, I now have a balance of $8.72 in my Payee account. This is instant, guys. You don't have to wait. It's instant. Once your Rewarble gift card balance is debited, instantly your payout will be credited. Yes, so this is my mail. As you can see right here, this was when I logged in into my Payee account to copy my Payee user ID. So this was when I log in, which is around 1:03 p.m. as shown right here. And as you can see, this was the confirmation mail from Rewarble at around 1:04, and you can see payment received also at around 1:04 p.m. So the payment is instant. When the payment is fully processed on Rewarble, instantly you get your payout. So it's as simple as that. So after getting your payment, the next thing is to go to your Binance account, Binance P2P. So where you will sell your Payee funds for USDT. So using this method, you can actually make lots of money because you'll be making more profits while buying at a lower price. The total capital used for this transaction was around 13.7 USD, and at the moment I still have a total balance of 2.7 in my Seagm account. So I only spent around 11. I spent less than 11 USD for the whole transaction, and now I have a balance of 8.7. So let's just imagine you buy let's just use 10 USD for example. You bought 10 USD PayPal balance from a friend, and you were able to sell around 8.7 USDT on Binance. Just do the calculation by yourself and you can see how much you can make doing that. Imagine buying at 550 and selling at around 900 plus. So that will be all for today, guys. So if you find this video informative and interesting, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified when a new video is posted on this channel. So thank you once again and bye, guys.